Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. On today's menu, we are making okra soup. This was so easy to put together and also very tasty. If you are new here, hello, welcome to Vicky in the kitchen. Let's get right into it. So for my spice blend, I'll be making use of some ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, and half an onion. I'll keep 1.5 of the onion for later. Then I'll also be adding some peppercorns, anise seed, and rosemary. I'm going to be grinding this, and then once it's smooth enough, we proceed to the next step. You can also use a blender to blend it as well. I'm done grinding the spice blend, and now I have some okra that we grated and put in the freezer. I'll be making use of most of it for the recipe. For protein, we are using some hard chicken. So I transferred my spice blend with some water, and then I'm seasoning this with stock cube and salt. You may use any seasoning of choice. And I'm going to set this under medium heat to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we are back to check on our proteins. It's been steaming nicely. We are going to add some tomato paste. But if you want your okra to be very drawy, you may want to skip adding the tomato paste. But we like it like this in our home, and I always enjoy it this way. Whilst that's going on, I'm going to be cooking the okra. Like I said earlier, it's frozen, so mine is going to take more than 5 minutes to cook. If yours is at room temperature, this should take about 5 minutes to cook nicely. So I want to cover this and bring it to a boil. Then I take the cover off. After letting it be for a few minutes, it was ready and cooked enough. So you don't want to overcook it. I'll turn off the heat and then go back to check on my protein that has been steaming. After stirring it, we want to go ahead and then pour in the okra that we cooked earlier. Give it a good mix and then let it be under medium to low heat and let it cook. So if you are watching me up to this point, I want to thank you for your engagement. Thank you for watching my videos, liking and sharing. I'm so grateful. And to my new members who have not subscribed yet, sweethearts, you can join us by subscribing to the channel and clicking your post notifications so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you would be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. So whilst our okra is cooking, we are going to pour some palm oil into a pan under medium heat, and then we are going to fry some onion in here. So if you like a lot of oil, you can add more palm oil or less if you prefer. You want to fry the onions until they are shrinking. Then you will turn off the heat and then pour it back into the okra that has been cooking. Frying the onions in the oil is one step you don't want to miss because it makes your okra soup go to the next level. You can even add some garlic to it or ginger. I also seasoned it with some stock cube as well. Now after giving this a good mix, I'm going to let this be for a few minutes so that it can cook together and combine nicely, and then I will check for seasoning again, and then you can add any seasoning of your choice. At this point I added some more stock cube and salt to this. Once that was done, I let it be for about 2 minutes, and then I added some habanero pepper because we like some of that heat, okay? So if you do not want to add habanero pepper, that's totally your option as well. After adding the habanero pepper, let's let it be for about 2 minutes and it's ready, and you can just enjoy this with any carbohydrates. We are using some banku and it went very well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. Until I post my next video, remember God loves you and has a great plan for your life, and don't forget to like and subscribe as well. See you later. Bye.